In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename objects in PowerPoint. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to organize their presentations better or customize their slides with ease. Whether you're working with text boxes, images, charts, or tables, knowing how to rename them can save time and improve the clarity of your presentation structure. So let's dive in step by step to make sure you master this useful technique. To start, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your presentation file ready that you would like to work on. If you don't already have PowerPoint, you'll need to install it first and set up an account if necessary. Once you have PowerPoint open and your file at the ready, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your specific presentation within the application. Go ahead and open your desired presentation file so we can start renaming those objects. Once your presentation is open, locate the Home tab in the top navigation bar of PowerPoint. This tab is usually the default view, so you might already be there. From the Home tab, direct your attention to the Editing section, which is typically found on the far right side of the screen. Here you'll notice an option called Select. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu under Select, there's an option called Selection Pane. Click on Selection Pane. This will bring up a panel, usually on the right-hand side of your screen, that lists all the objects currently present on your slide. The selection pane is an incredibly helpful tool because it gives you a clear view of every item on your slide, even the ones that might be hidden behind others, or otherwise not easily clickable. Now that we have the selection pane open, the next step is to locate the specific object you wish to rename. Each object will be listed in this pane with its current name. To rename an object, simply double-click on the current name of the object in the panel. By double-clicking, you'll see the object name highlighted, allowing you to edit it directly. Once the object name is highlighted and you're ready to rename it, you can start typing in the new name for your object.